the sunlight is coming in at a certain angle from this side, but on this other side, it's that's a little bit better lighting, I think. Yeah, look at that lighting. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is part of the mid-levels, so some pretty cool artwork all the way down. So I'm just going to film that real quick. And then you can see these big pillars. That's because above me is the mid-levels, and we're going to walk up there in a second. And you can see people walking downhill. You can walk either down or up that way. So let's see if we can frame some of that. Looks kind of cool. Yeah, okay. Yep, so mid-levels is all this right here. We're gonna walk up on that in a second. Pretty cool space. Okay, so we're gonna walk up. Once you get up here, you're kind of looking at the second floor and sometimes third floor of different buildings, so that has another interesting element to it too. Okay, there we go. Pretty cool view, something like that. That's a pretty cool space spot. And this one too. Yeah, it's a beautiful space. So, okay, we're going to show you this space too. You can walk all the way down. Nice. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna walk up this escalator. Okay, so this escalator goes all the way up to almost up to the peak, almost, and we're just gonna capture some of the scenes in this space. Okay, so we're gonna head on up.
Are you going to be home later today?
Let's just take a look here. So you got these angles like that. You got that down like that. Okay. It's called the mid-levels. And you can overlook some streets on this side too, so I think we're going to try to capture some in a second right here. There we go. And we got this one too. Pretty cool. So we're going to go down a little bit more. I'm going to capture some more spaces. This goes all the way up. I don't want to go all the way up. We're just going to try to capture some of this like that. That scene right there too. Okay.
Outdoor is heavier.
So the sunlight is coming in at a certain angle from this side, but on this other side, it's that's a little bit better lighting, I think. Yeah, look at that lighting. Okay, so we could keep going up. This is kind of good. Look at this street right here. Okay. So this is also part of the mid-levels too. So you can see it's a kebab shop, and there's some other shops here, but they're doing a lot of construction underneath, looks like, and also construction on the escalator part too. So. See. And this is the construction part. So we're gonna go up a little bit further, and we're gonna try to capture some more space up here. We'll try to capture this spot right here. Okay. I think we're gonna go back down. You can go all the way up for quite a ways, but I don't really want to do that today. I think that's an elevator right there, so if that is, I'm gonna take it and then we're gonna walk in a different space. Let's just see. Is it working? Okay, it's working. Ground floor. See how the mid-levels. Here we go. So we're gonna enter down and do this capture. Can capture. Okay, so now we're at the ground floor. And we got some pretty cool space up here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk back down a little bit and I'll walk underneath the mid-levels for a little bit. Let's see if we can get through here. Looks like we can get through here. Pretty cool space right there. Okay, let's see. So, all right, I think we're gonna just conclude in this space right here. But this is where we came from, and we'll just kind of capture this artwork right here. There we go. Chiquinha.